Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beaded beads. I'm making them of superduo or asmara or twin beads that are with two holes, and they are really easy to make. You will see, I will show you step by step, and I'm sure you will be able to make them. How you could use these Christmas balls? Well, you could put them on a chain just like that. Okay, or you could make a loop of beads here and attach them in this direction, or even you could make earrings and start with larger center. And tell me in the comments, do you want me to show you how I'm making those earrings into one of my next videos? And in one of my next tutorials I will show you how to make a beaded chain, put it here in the middle inside these beads, and to make a bracelet or a necklace. Okay, so now if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming videos. And if you want to make me more and more tutorials, like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with a list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what I'm using are 11 seed beads in black color, and I'm also using these beads with two holes that these two are asmara brand, and these are twins. And you could also use superduo beads, it doesn't matter the brand, they are exactly the same size and shape, and they are easily combined with each other. That is why I'm using twins with these asmara beads, to be sure that they match perfectly. As you see, that's the case here. And if you want, you could use super duos, as I said. And these are a present from my favorite beading store, and I will give a link down in the description to check it out. Paula Apollonia. They deliver in Europe. I'm not sure about the United States, but you could check it out. Okay, and this is a chain where I wanna put my element when I make it. And I'm using size 10 beading needle. Here I'm using monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 in millimeters, and I'm using flat nosed pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through this size 10 beading needle. And here I'm using scissors, and now I'm going to take about 3 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 90 centimeters of thread, and I will be back. Okay guys, and now I have thread on my needle, and I'm going to take 6 of these beautiful red beads, alternating them with 6 of these beautiful black 11-ohs. Okay, and I have them here, 12 beads in total. Okay, and I'm sliding them down. And now what I want to do is go through all of those beads one more time. Okay, now this is what I have, and here I want to make a knot, and I'm making a knot by making a loop and going twice through the loop I've made, and I make sure I'm between those two beads where I started my knot from, and I'm pulling. Okay, and when I pull, this is what I have. And I might want to go one more time around all of those beads, reinforcing this part. Okay, and now as I'm exiting from this bead here, I'm going through its other empty hole, this asmara bead or twin bead or superduo bead, whatever you want to use. Okay, and I'm taking 2 beads here and I'm going through my next red bead through its empty outer hole. Okay, fix them and pull. Now this is what I have. Okay, and I'm taking 2 more of these 2-hole beads and I'm going through the next twin bead through its empty outer hole. Okay, just like that, and I'm going to repeat this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and now I'm exiting here out of this golden twin or asmara bead, and now I want to go through its outer empty hole and I'm stepping up in my next row and changing directions in the same way. Okay, so here everywhere where I have a red bead I will put a red one, and here between the goldens I will put a black one. Okay, and this is what I do until the end of this row. So here I have red and I put red. I have golden, I put black one. I have red and I put red. Between the goldens I put black. Here I have red and I put a red one. See how it bends to this side, and soon it will turn into a ball. I will show you how. Okay, black one, a red one, a black one, a red one, and I will continue doing this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and I finished this row and now I'm exiting out of this red one. And what I want to do, maybe I will turn it this way because it will be easier for me. And I will go through this red one. I'm exiting out of this hole of the red one and I will go in its other empty hole, and with this move I'm turning directions and I'm stepping up in my next row. And here everywhere I will add only golden ones. Okay, golden, golden, and tied it up, golden, and I will continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and now when I finish this row I have this. Okay, and now what I want to do is close my bowl here. Okay, in order to do this I will go through this golden I'm exiting out of. When I finish the row I went out through this golden through its bottom hole, and now I will go through its top hole, empty outer hole, and I will take another red. Here where I have red, I always put a red one. Okay, a red one. And in my next step, pay attention, I'm not adding anything here, I'm just going through this golden, because now I will decrease my work to turn it into a ball. I was increasing in the beginning, now I decrease. Okay, here where I added 2 goldens, I was increasing, and here where I add 1 red and go through 2 goldens where my black bead is, I decrease my work. Okay, maybe I should cut a little bit this tail thread, it will stay in the ball, inside the ball. Okay, now here, because I have red, I need another red one, and I'm going through this golden. Okay, and here where I have black, I'm going through the next one without adding anything, and I will repeat this 3 more times. Okay, now I will pull my thread just like that, and I will go through this red one through its bottom hole. Okay, like that, and you see what I have here. Now I want to connect those 6 beads and make them look like this, and in order to do this I will step up in my next row, so I'm exiting out of this hole here. If you don't see my thread, here is where I'm exiting out of, and I will go through the empty hole of my twin, the outer empty hole, and I will pull tight, and here I will take 1 seed bead and go through my other twin through its empty outer hole, and I will take another seed bead and go through my next twin. And this is what I'm going to do until the end of this row. Okay guys, and now I want to reinforce this part here. Okay, and when I feel that my work is secure, I want to make some knots and cut my thread. Okay, let's say I'm making a knot here between those 2 beads. First I want to make a loop and then go once and go second time through the loop I've made. Okay, and now as I feel that my work is secure, I want to make some knots here. Okay, first I will make a loop and then I will go once and I will go second time through the loop I've made, and I'm going to pull, and then I will repeat this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and now my beaded bead is ready. So what you could do with it, you could put it on a chain. Okay, put it in the center of a chain, and you could add the other 2 beads just like that. You could make it this part of a bracelet also, and I will show you in my upcoming tutorials how I'm making beaded chain and how I'm putting these Christmas beads on it. And of course, if you start with a larger center, you could make this earring, and tell me in the comments, do you want to see this earring in my upcoming videos, and you could make this a pendant as well. If you want to support me and make me do more videos, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.